Ricardo, co-founder at Emilio, and I'm showing you how to properly manage your inbox with Gmail filters. Filters can be used for many things, for you to channel your emails into a specific folder. It can be also to marking them as read, deleting them, so you can use it for a whole bunch of reasons. I'm going to go through how you can set them up so you can start managing your inbox a little bit more effectively. So let's start with using the search bar. So let's say you want to search for emails from The Guardian, okay? And out of this, you can click this button so you can understand more search options. So you can use any email that has the words Guardian. You can also put it from emails that come from a Guardian email. Let's put it this way. Let's search for them and see what happens. Okay, so I have here all the emails from Guardian, so I can click again on this button and I can create a filter, okay? Another option to use filters is for you to just go to settings. So in settings, you see filters up here and you can create a new filter. As simple as this. A third option for you to create a filter is to go inside one of the emails and select filter messages like this. This will pop up the search box again, and you can select and create filter and take it from there. Now let's go into what can you actually do in this box. You can use different search functions such as or, and. Let's go through or. For instance, I want to say that I want to find emails from Ricardo or emails from Daniel. Okay, you can use them here. You can also use these parameters in any of the other ones. Okay, so let's say, for instance, that I want the subject of news and procedures, let's say. You can even create things like these parameters which force the or to first analyze the what's inside the parentheses and then apply the end. Okay. You can also have, for instance, here as the words, you can say has payment plus invoice, which forces the search query to find the two ones. Now you can actually say you want all the emails with has payment minus invoice to exclude invoice from the actual search. And naturally, you can also say that, let's say you have a long sentence you want to filter. Let's say that thank you, Emily, that you remember out of the top of your head. You can put it like this between quotation marks, so it forces the email to be searched for exactly in this order. It's called exact match. So now that we're done with explaining the type of filters you can do, let's pick an example and say I want to filter messages from JustinCreatorWizard.com. Now let's go into the options I have for this. First one is keeping the inbox. So it just doesn't go into your inbox, although it stays in red. You can also tick it as in red, so it marks as in red, so it goes directly out of your inbox as red. You can also star it. You can apply a specific label, or you can forward it to someone, actually. You need to set up a forwarding address for this. You can also delete it straight away, okay? I do believe that if it's skipping the inbox, it doesn't allow you to delete, so let's put deleted. You can also put it as important or never put it as important, or categorize it as one of these predetermined filters in Gmail. Now, a cool thing you have is, since I already have a lot of emails from Justin, I can just apply the rule that I just created. So for instance, in this case, I'm going to delete and apply to all the 20 matching conversations. So as soon as I click the create filter, from now on, this is going to be deleted straight away. And if we allow enough time, I do believe that exactly the filter was created. And so messages from Justin at, I can't remember the name right now. As you can see, they're already empty because they were moved to the trash box. And that's pretty much it. I have more details in a specific blog post on the Emilio blog. You can go into it. The link is going to be in the description. So feel free to read more on that blog. And if you want to take your inbox to the next level, Emilio uses AI to filter and automate your inbox in ways that you wouldn't have seen before. So give it a try. You can see it in the channel, and hopefully this will help you immensely as it helped us so far.